Hi US. Today we are going to looking for how to use define coordinate system. First, open the coordinate manager, then click add button. Once now click the add button, this window will appear. Then you can pick the define coordinate system. It will appear like this: origin, x direction and y direction. Where you want to exact coordinate system, you can pick that location. It is automatically shifted to x direction. Once you pick the x direction, it is automatically shifted to y direction. You can pick y direction, coordinate system automatically created. This is how we create define coordinate system